Imagine turning the key and your car just refuses to cooperate, or maybe it's shifting so harshly it feels like the transmission is about to drop out, all because of a computer glitch. That is the frustrating reality of the P0602 code. It sounds technical, and honestly, it is a bit severe, but don't panic just yet. This code essentially means your Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is having an internal identity crisis. It has detected a programming error within its own memory. Think of the PCM as the brain of your car. It relies on a specific set of instructions burned into its memory, known as EEPROM, to manage the engine and transmission. When you see this code, the brain is confessing that it can't read those instructions properly, or the data doesn't match what it expects. This is critical because this data tells the engine how to run efficiently and how to talk to other modules in the vehicle. If the brain is confused, the car might not start at all. You might see a serious drop in fuel economy, or the idle could be incredibly rough. Now, before you assume the computer is fried, we need to do some detective work. Believe it or not, a simple voltage issue can cause this. I always tell people to start with the battery. If your battery terminals are corroded or loose, or if the battery is weak, the PCM might not be getting the steady voltage it needs to think straight. It is like trying to do complex math while someone keeps flickering the lights on and off. Check your fuses and relays too, specifically the ones for the ECM or PCM. Sometimes a fuse looks fine until you put a load on it, so a multimeter is your best friend here. If you recently replaced the PCM or installed a performance chip, that is likely your culprit. You cannot just swap a computer from another car and expect it to work. It needs to be flashed with your specific vehicle's VIN number and mileage. If the wiring looks good, the battery is strong, and the grounds are solid, you might be looking at a situation where the module needs to be reprogrammed by a dealer or a shop with a factory-level scanner. It is rarely a DIY fix at that final stage, but ruling out the power supply issues first can save you a ton of time and money.